If your brain feels like it's running through the mud, you can't focus to save your life, there's one kitchen spice that's been shown to boost blood flow to your brain, sharpen memory, and clear brain fog in minutes. You probably have it sitting in your pantry right now. Today, I'll show you how I use this simple remedy, how often, and who should not use it. Hi friends, on Medicinal Monday here at Trina's Humble Homestead, we talk about real practical remedies for a frazzled nervous system. Nothing fancy, nothing $60 a bottle, just things you can actually do in a real life busy home. The spice today is rosemary. Rosemary isn't just for potatoes. Traditionally, it's been called the herb of remembrance, and modern research links rosemary compounds to improved focus and mental clarity by supporting circulation and neurotransmitters in the brain. If your nervous system is exhausted and your thoughts feel like static, this can be a gentle everyday support. Here's my go-to. Heat 8 to 10 ounces of water just under a boil. I like to use my electric tea kettle. And then add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. I'm now growing rosemary in my hydroponic system, so you can also use fresh if you have it available. And that would be 2 teaspoons. Just lightly crush it to get those benefits. And then cover and steep it for 7 minutes. Strain, and if you like, you can add a squeeze of lemon and a bit of honey. Now, while it steeps, I like to put one hand on my chest, one on my belly, and take 5 slow breaths, telling my body we're safe and we can focus now. And then when I'm done with that, I like to sip my rosemary tea slowly and just notice, is my head feeling a little clearer? Do my eyes feel a little less heavy? Does the mental chatter quiet down even just a notch? These are so important for me. I love finding healthy, natural, inexpensive things that I already have in my home or I can grow to do, especially with a mom and aunt who have dementia. Mental clarity is very important to me. This is not a magic cure. If your brain fog is coming from trauma, chronic stress, or exhaustion, we still need nervous system regulation, sleep, and good nourishment. But rosemary can be a beautiful ally. Now, just to give you the safety things that I always like to do, right? Let's put on that friendly Trina Homestead safety hat. We're going to avoid or talk to your practitioner or pharmacist first if you're pregnant, on blood thinner medication, or you have a history of seizures. These are kitchen quantities that we are doing. They're generally safe, but we always want to take that extra precaution. Now, if you do try this, please tell me in the comments, rosemary check-in, and here's how it felt. I love to know if you've used it before. Let me know if it's made a difference in your life, if you've used it for brain fog or mental clarity or other things that you've used rosemary for. And if you do want more realistic homestead level remedies, hit subscribe and come back every Medicinal Monday. I will be starting a new problem solver cards with the ones that we're going over now also. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed and see you in the next video. Bye.